I need a girl. I need a girl beside me to make the presentation for the products for women, because these technology reviews show it's most of electronics for men, and my demography shows that the female gender has started to rise in this show. So I need a co-worker, I need a girl even from my city, from Bacău, Romania, which can help me to make the presentation for these premium products, vacuum cleaners, hair dryers, premium products, which, you know, I can do these reviews, but it's better with a girl. I think she can reach better my audience. So I'll make a request even in Romanian. Caut în orașul Bacău o co-moderatoare care să prezinte alături de mine produse destinate femeilor, aspiratoare uscătoare de păr, produse speciale electronice de curățenie pentru casă și multe altele. iTechnology reviewers, girls, we have a new product for your house to keep it clean, to show your husband and your boyfriend you love them. And with this product I will simplify your work. It's a smart robot that will automatically clean in your house. It will detect, it has sensor, radar, you don't have to do anything, just start it from your smartphone. It has built-in Wi-Fi and it will connect with your smartphone, and you will direction him in what room do you want it to clean. And it does a great job. We tested, we made a full review. Watch the entire review because it's very interesting. We vacuum a lot of surfaces. We tested in difficult conditions, and we tested in this studio, the post-production office, where we have a lot of electronics. So this review will be very interesting because it has multi-room. Into the features of it, it has high cutting technology, it has high navigation system, but we will get to there. It has animal care, it has an animal kit that will take the fur on your carpet. It works on wood floor, on carpets, small carpets, and it does a great job for the furs or the hair on the carpet. And it's 2-in-1. It has a mopping feature that will clean, first will clean the dust, and then with the mopping will take the small dust particles on your floor tiles or wood floor, and it does a great job, I have to say. So what is the deal with this vacuum cleaner? I choose the premium, the high, on the models, you know, Rowenta has a lot of models. I was impressed with that vacuum cleaner. You know, we have a vacuum cleaner too with turbo cyclonic power, very powerful, and I thought to go with Rowenta and test their premium model, the 80 series. And the 80, it has a lot of series, 40, 50, 60, 70, it are a lot of series, but I go with the premium. I'm not sure it's the top model, the best model they have. It's somewhere between 300 and 400 euros. It's quite expensive, but it does a good job. It can clean under your couch or under small surfaces or under your furniture, because it's, Rowenta says it's the slimmest in their models. It's the slimmest vacuum cleaner you will find. It has all kinds of sensors with laser and some kind of radar. Underneath, because this vacuum cleaner is smart and will not fall off on your stairs, will detect the end of the stairs and will return. It's very intelligent. You can tell it by the smartphone the zone you want to clean it. If you want, for example, if you want to clean only one room, you can tell with the smartphone only kitchen or only wherever room you need to be cleaned, and will go directly to that room, start cleaning, and it will return to the charging docking station. And you can use it with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. You say the command, and I think you can say even the room you want will go, clean, and return to the charging station, where I say the docking station. It has vacuuming and mopping at the same time. I told you this. It has the sound level is 72 decibels. I don't think it's loud for a robot. I think the sound level is decent. The dimensions are 34 by 34 by 9.7 centimeters. The design, I think, this is the black, but I saw a white one, and the accessory included are water tank and the mop. guys, let's not lose any more time and let's make an unboxing to this product and put it to the test. Let's unseal it and test it, guys. I'm very interested. Is the instruction manual, some other paper, the quick start guide. So we have two brushes, are rotative brushes, the transformer for the charging dock, and this is very interesting, and I was looking forward for this this is nothing, for this charging dock that you will put it into the side of the room and it will auto charge, will self charge, and this is very interesting. Here we have a comb and with some kind of cutter here. We will see what is this, some sponge here. It went like this inside the bag. And the rechargeable battery lithium-ion pack. And let's see the battery, guys. Let's see the voltages. I used to, and I use in the reviews to say specification to the batteries, to the charger, and we will get back to the charger and see. And I believe this is 14.8 volts at 2200 milliamps, 42 watt hour. Okay, it's good that it's lithium-ion, but I didn't think Philips or Rowenta to make nickel metal or something like this. It deteriorates faster, those batteries. Lithium-ion has a better life, and the lithium-ion you can charge it, and it's good at this lithium-ion because it charges, it doesn't have a memory effect. You can charge wherever it needs. So if you are using for 10 minutes, it goes into the station, the vacuum cleaner, it can charge. Nickel metal batteries can have to discharge completely. So this is the disadvantage of nickel metal or nickel chrome. And the transformer is at 19 volts at 1 amp. This is the charging dock. It has two contacts here. It's simple, it's a plastic, but it's well built. It's a good plastic and well thanked, I think. We have another instructions that it tells us not to put it on a carpet. You have to put it exactly on your floor in these figures. And it tells us not to leave the cable into the room. You have to put it to the side wall, not for the vacuum cleaner not to grab it while it charges or it goes to clean your room. And the beauty of premium vacuum cleaner, the Explorer, Rowenta Explorer 80 series, that I think, man, it looks very nice and it's very slim. It has only 9.7 centimeters. It has 34 by 34 by 9.7 centimeters. So I think Rowenta says it's the slimmest in their robot vacuum cleaners, the Series 80s. Oh man, I wish I had a girl, because I'm with the technologies, but you know, touch of a woman, it's another thing when you are in cleaning, when you are in cooking. Remove this before using. Okay, let's remove. And we got to turn it upside down. This is the brush, guys, that it tells us that this brush is for animal care. For its head, you see, it has a weird shape. This is rubber, and this is the tank which you will put the water. I don't know, you will put solutions and it will wash. It will take the small dust. Do not imagine yourself you will take the mud from your house. This is the power on and power off button. These pins, it will charge into to the charging stations. It has some sensors here. I don't know if you're seeing them. It has some sensors. I think it has 3 points of sensors, and it's a good thing with laser. This guide laser, it's very nice. Now the battery, it has only one position. You cannot go wrong with this connector, but I don't know why they did this. I don't like this connector inside. It doesn't have, it has some kind of wobbling, but I think when you put it here, the problem is solved. Now the second operation, we have to clip these two brushes. I don't have the I don't think it has a special position. Just click them. Okay. Oh, good. Very good. Now, the important thing is to leave a half of meter in the left side and in the right side. This is just for testing. I think it has space in the left side and in the right side. I don't think it's a problem. But the cord, I will put it not to take the vacuum cleaner when it will engage to clean the room and will leave the docking station. I don't know exactly how to put it here. Just for testing, I will find in the room another spot, and now I think that it's a good position. And guys, I didn't tell you an important aspect. This cloth here, you can take it out and replace it. For now, we've got to leave it into the docking station, charging station, 3 hours. It tells us on the quick start guide that in the first use, 3 hours you have to leave it to charge completely the battery. So we're gonna push the power on. I think it's on, and yes, it makes a lot of lights. I think this is the container for the dust. You see, it has a filter here. I'm going to show you all the parts because this is the iTechnology reviews show every week. We are showing you all the details into the products and all the tricks and tips. You know this. It has 0.7 liters, but we will talk furthermore. On this side, guys, you see these glossy finishes. It has all kinds of sensors. It looks very futuristic with this glossy finish. And let's not lose more time. It has one line. It has 3 lines. When will be full charge, 3 lines will appear. And then, guys, the next step, while we wait 3 hours to be fully charged, we got to download the Rowenta Robot's free application. It tells us here free application. Of course it's free. Who will pay to give 350 euros and to pay for an application? But it's a possibility. Other manufacturers maybe will make you pay if you want the Wi-Fi function. I don't know. And the next step will moisture the mop with water before use it. It's very nice, guys, that this robot, vacuum cleaner robot, it has Wi-Fi. If you purchase a cheaper one, you will not have Wi-Fi and other functions, and this is why it's good to buy yourself a good brand and a good high model from that brand. You got to take this extra step. I know that it's expensive, but you got to take that extra step if you want that product to help you in time. This is the main point. I have made an account. Let's see the Explorer AT series. Okay, the robot, it's on, it's charging. Okay, choose a name. I don't know, let's oh, I know, let's call it Alfred. Okay, next. Let's connect it to the Wi-Fi network. It uses Google Android. I want to use it with Bixby. And guys, if you don't have a home product like Alexa, like Google, you can use your phone. I will better make I think I will make a review for this, and use Bixby Voice while the phone is locked. I think Bixby Voice is the only assistant that permits, while the phone locked, to ignite some function. It doesn't work to all of them. We will see. Let's connect it to the Wi-Fi router. Please put your phone close to Alfred and press the home button on it for 5 seconds. Check that the Wi-Fi LED is blinking and it's connecting. Nokia not connecting people anymore. While it connects, I leave the studio room dusty. We made a lot of dust here, a lot of for 4 days. I think I didn't brush or mop or anything because I was curious. I was waiting for this vacuum cleaner to arrive. Now it tells us the map enables you to make customized cleaning sessions in one touch. To do that, the robot needs to explore your home. Well, I want to leave it to charge 3 hours or whatever it needs for charging. To complete that charging, and then we'll make an exploring. Well, let's see the furniture, I have speakers, I have a lot of stuff here, a table. So guys, it tells us to remove the mop from the vacuum cleaner. I remove it and open the doors, and after this, let's see, unclip the mop. Okay, ensure the docking station of Alfred is plugged and installed according to the user's guide recommendation. Okay, it has spaces in the left and in the right. Please remain available during all the exploration process. Okay. Tidy your house to let Alfred move without trouble. Leave the doors open. Okay, I will leave the doors, but I don't think I'm curious if it sees all the house. So if you see there at the door, it's a bump. I'm curious how we'll pass that bump. Let's push explore and start. And okay, the exploration begin. Now it scans, and sincerely I don't know an aspect, so it tells us to stay in the room. The exploration began. I don't know if I have to stay near to this vacuum cleaner. Now I scan with the laser technologies and all kinds of stuff, and I expect it to be louder than this. I think it's a okay sound. Okay, that is the problem. Whiskas, our pet. What's the problem, boy? Man, it got under the it's under the leather couch. The big problem. What's happening, boy? What is it? So I think we have some troubles here. Okay, no troubles now. It's back on the, let's say, living room. Let's say living room to this room. And it explored, it didn't found one room. And the third time, guys, it scanned the house, I think. Okay, it found 3 rooms. I let only 3 rooms to clean in them. So I believe except 3 rooms I didn't let him in. So I believe it's okay. The zones are okay. It could be more accurate. But for now I think it saw all the rooms. It went in all the rooms. It scanned. It didn't scan under the leather couch and into the first room. The first 2 tries, well, it scanned under the couch. Now it didn't went under the couch. And I stayed on the top of the couch just for the robot to search. Okay, let's say I'm satisfied with this. Let's click next, select a room for customization, and I can customize this. And if you see here, room name, let's say studio. Okay, this is the studio. Let's customize it. Room type, who knows? Multifunctional room. Living room, let's say living room. It's like a cinema, living room, and a studio. We have a multi-purpose room here. Floor type, it's wooden floor. Okay, power level, you can send, this is interesting, you can set for the vacuum cleaner if you are sending it by Google Assistant or any kind of wherever you want, Bixby or Alexa. I think it works only with Google Assistant and Alexa. We will see if it works with Bixby. And you can put the wooden floor, and if you know you will make a lot of mess and it's necessary, you can schedule even, let's say for kitchen. If you know you will make a lot of mess daily in the kitchen, you can put the suction power And power level, eco, standard or boost. I leave it to standard. I don't think it's necessary boost. Room access, I don't know exactly. Allow access to this room. You can, if you don't want to clean in that room, you can deny the access. But it's a problem with this door step overs or door bumpers. If you have big bumpers, it will not pass. You got to have small bumpers for this robot to pass them. Okay, so let's confirm the studio. Let's see, let's put room type, let's put kitchen, floor type wooden floor, room access, okay, confirm. The studio office, okay, that is the office. And let's office. I have a problem if I say start office when I want to start the post-production multimedia system, and I hope I will make office vacuum or something. If will interference with this, I will change the name. For now, let's leave it to office, because I will say clean office, not start office. This is my point. I think it will not interfere. Wooden floor, okay, standard. That goes, my cat goes there and stays there. So let's leave it to office, confirm. Maybe I will add later that room. I hope it is possible. I hope it is possible to add one extra room, but for now let's finish it. I think it's okay. I don't know exactly. It says something here with these dots. It says other rooms, but they are not. Those are not rooms. Are just lobbies, small lobbies. Create a floor. Multiple floor management is now available. If you have if you don't have stairs and you have some kind of way not to have obstacles in his face, this vacuum cleaner can go to the other floor, and I think it's amazing. You can put the first floor, the second floor, you know, it's amazing that they thought. So here is the history. We have 0.2, we have 200 meters already traveled, one clean, and it didn't clean anything. It's just they just saw the house. You can add schedule to make I don't know, in the evening, in the morning, to clean up the room. And I think it's great to have a butler to clean your house. It already charged, fully charged, the lithium battery. Central blush cleaning, maintenance, filter cleaning, mop cleaning, and sensor cleaning. It's nice that it's the mop cleaning. I want to see here my appliance, my floor, display themes. We have some informations here. Here we have some more informations. Charging standard, we have the settings here. All target, we can make a target room cleaning. It's a pity that select the room and zone to clean. But now, here, okay, now we can select the lobby, or I don't know, any room we want to clean, and he knows we can click here. We can click at I think at the distance we can use this vacuum cleaner. But let's start recording with the cinematographic camera. Put just a little bit of water on it, just like this. A little bit of water. I put a lot of water, but if we'll drop water, it's evidently they didn't put a cap here, just to capsulate and to make a pressure inside just the water to release it slow. You know, maybe now it's will not release the water slow to make a circuit. Now when I put it to the vacuum cleaner, this water will drop. So no, it's not good. This is not good at all. I will contact as soon as possible Rowenta. So guys, let's put some cat fur in some places. Let's put, so we have a lot of dust here at the door. So we have on the floor a lot of dust. So 4 days I didn't clean the room, just for this vacuum cleaner to see how it works. So now we are in the application, target. I target this room and launch. And I see already the docking station is not that heavy. It moves that docking station, and okay, it start also wiping. I put just a small amount of water, not to remain any residues, not to remain. And I don't know why the room is the same. It doesn't have modifications, and that bumper will make troubles for this vacuum cleaner. Come on boy, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Yes he can, yes he can. It remains some small amount right near to the door. I'm curious if it will push the door. I don't believe this. Okay, it went under the couch. He makes a cleaning right under the couch. You saw some sensors, you see some blinking. There are sensors all over, and he made okay, now it passes right through the middle of the table. Genius. I'm trying not to stay to disturb Alfred. And I see that it follows a pattern. You see? Man, it's intelligent. I have to say it's very intelligent. If you are buying yourself a cheaper model, I don't know if will be this intelligent, because Rowenta, this is like a premium product of a high series of them. You realize they put the best technology it exists on a vacuum cleaner. I'm curious, and I don't know if if you leave water in the tank, if you can leave overnight or weeks, months, if there are problems. You went there? Yes, you went there. Come back. Don't go there. He didn't. Oh, you see, it's a narrow chrome leg of the couch, and he managed to went out. Okay, the pattern is good. If you are seeing, guys, man, it's very clean, and it's in standard. And I didn't clean, I worked here, we filmed, we made a lot of dust. The water, I don't have that cap for the tank, and it's a small amount of water now. I'm curious that filth if we'll take, and I have filth there, and through these objects I'm curious if we'll come here and clean this filth. Exactly, you see, it picks the dust in those corners, in those tiny corners, in the narrow space, you see, and now it comes here. Oh, he stepped on. Ha! Man, leave the chair alone. It's good. It's good. This is a scratch on the wood floor that is not filth or dust or anything. I'm curious in the back of the speaker if it will go here. You still have there, yes. It makes cleaning to the near to the docking station, and it goes again to the door, I think. And it's best, I don't know, if for this operation, I think I will close the door. It's more practical. You see, there is dirt. It hadn't the possibility to get there through between the door and the speaker. So let's be reasonable and fair to this vacuum cleaner. That spot, it's impossible for me to get in as people with my hand. Now I think yes, baby, clean, baby, yes, beautiful, you are a star, baby. And this is my point, if you are starting just one room, just close the door, it's best. It will know, yeah, in the back of the speaker it remained, right? Go into the back. Go into the back. Yes. Yes, master, I will. Alfred, where is the Joker? That mother... I thought of name Butler or the Batmobile. It's called the Batmobile. You see, it overrides this chair, this chrome chair. Man, you're crazy, and I love it. Okay, the job is done. Good work, man. And as I will take that cap, it will be awesome. It will be awesome. I'm curious into this experiment of ours. I will put some more water and I want to dust the office. And I will mark the office. I will try to see. I don't believe. And I will mark office and I will try to see if it will go from this docking station all the way to the office and start there in the office and turn back. But in my office, I have a big bumper here. It's impossible to overtake it when it will come back to the station. Now I will help passing through this side. This side, it will pass this side, but in this side I don't think it could I don't think it will pass it. It has difficulties. It must be these bumpers more slim than this. I think it has like 2 centimeters. Now guys, we are into the post-production studio. I will try to run a program. I put some sugar there and some viscous fur, and let's see. I will launch this program to see if it cleaned already the room good. I don't like how it cleaned this office like it cleaned the living room. I think it can do better than this. I will launch the program again. I saw that it didn't, so it has a problem right under that glass table. Hey, there had problems. Let's see it now. Yes, it I don't know what is the deal under that table. The vacuum cleaner, as you see, has some wheels, and these wheels bounce it or put it to the floor or rises it, and it rises now. I don't know exactly why it rises to. Okay, the sugar. It sucked the sugar like it didn't exist ever. Yeah, beautiful, man, really beautiful. So this is the extreme test for this Rowenta. So this is a stress test, whatever you want to call it. Man, it cannot be perfect, even if it's a premium model, a top model from their models 50, 60. I saw that it had a lot of models. The scanning of the laser, I think it's accurate. It detects the objects very accurate. And it's linear, you see. And I think you have two modes nearer to that wall, but he didn't. And I think he did the job very good. It's looking for the charging station. I have to help him here because it's a very big bump of 2 centimeters to go back to his charging station. Oh boy. Alfred, left, behind you, man. Yes, you are a good boy. Right side. And he knows. He knows the way back to home. This is very intelligent. Let me turn on the lights. And you see it's starting to get to the docking charging station. I will see if I can go closer to this subwoofer, just a little bit, just not to be in our way here, but overall it's wonderful. It's great, I have to say. Guys, after taking out the dust and filth tank, I was surprised how much fur, how much cat hair I got out, and a lot of filth. The only con I have to say is this, you see it's a trap door that I think is not quite of heavy and it doesn't close. So guys, this is a lot of dust, sawdust, wood dust. And I think it's really smart. He sees exactly where the dust is. He didn't make all the lobby. Yes, it does. I don't see it to go exactly to the other end of the lobby. And it's a lot of dust. You imagine that it cannot, it needs 2 or 3 or the suction power to be more greater than this, but you know, I'm curious what we'll do until the end. As I see now, I think you cannot have this much dust as I had here, and yes, it goes and it parks himself. He thought he had enough.